Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. I am pleased to announce that the course has been released today, this morning. If you're on the wait list, you'll receive early access along with a coupon discount for initial release. So this is a course right here. If you head over to the website, that's pinnacletrading.us, and click on the learn more button. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified if you are new to the channel. So head over to pinnacletrading.us and scroll down and click on learn more. And this is a course right here. And this is a course that will cut your learning curve and give you all the tools to become a confident and an educated trader. So it's really important to just read through this and see what the course offers and why this is the only course you'll need for the stock market itself. So right now I have a limited time $100 off the course, and that's the pricing right here. So use 100 off at checkout to receive that discount, and that's a limited time discount for 2019. The price will go back to normal in 2020 once we hit into the new year. So click on get started and then you'll be taken over to the course site. Of course, it's snowing right now on the site itself. So this is a course curriculum and I'm adding a lot more topics. So this is initial release. I'll be adding a lot more. And of course, the course gives you lifetime access to the chat room, which I'll have a link in the description, which is free to join. But with the course, you'll get some extra bonus content. And this is some examples of what the course offers. We'll do an introduction and then we'll do Thinkorswim platform setup, how to use trading charts, how to set up the platform to use itself, and I'll break it down step by step, just like a beginner, and then we'll go into some advanced topics itself later on, and I'll break it down everything step by step on how to begin, how to start trading, how to manage risk. And once you head over to chart setup, we also have setting up our support resistance, Fibonacci, etc. trading. So we have our swing trading, day trading, options, trading UGAS, DGAS, natural gas, oil, many other topics itself, and how to invest and how you can pretty much retire early, get you in the process and in the mindset of how to get into the investing for long term itself, how to pick out funds and what the market consists of, and some of my market secrets. This is a big chapter that you won't see in any other course, and that is coming very soon. I'm putting together right now. Of course, the course is in an initial release right now, so there's some more topics that I want to add, and I'll be updating it for the lifetime as you receive lifetime access to that. And there's a special lifetime VIP access. So if you're a lifetime member so far, the course has just been released, so people are still purchasing it. So right now, you will receive VIP alerts. So course is gone live today, so I haven't alerted anything yet, but you will receive bonus alerts on this one, exclusive alerts that I personally take some screenshots of my trade from my account, and just exclusive alerts that you can take advantage of to make money every week, and just advanced topics and strategies from the course that I'll incorporate into the alerts itself. So hope you all are excited as I am for this course, and hope you'll be taking part in the course, and I'll see you in the VIP section. So make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us and then scroll down on the main page and click that button right there, learn more, and then you can grab the course right over here. Make sure to use that 100 off at checkout to receive the $100 off, and that's a limited time discount till end of the year. Click on get started button and then follow the process and then to purchase the course. So hopefully you're subscribing to the channel and you're watching videos normally, but if you're not interested in the course and you just want to join the chat room, the link is in the description. You can join for free. I still have free alerts for everyone where you can talk to other people and have a conversation with others, talk to me, ask me questions in the chat room itself. So hope you all have a great Christmas and great holiday and a great new year. And it's a great time to spend time with family, friends, and also get educated with the stock market, and also have some personal development, grow your skills, and just have some free time to grow as individually and also with friends and family. So hope you all have a great holiday, and I'll see you again in my next video.